Well guys, what do you think of these? They're fairly new on the market, like they've been around for a few months now. I know a lot of guys up north, where I am here, are using these with great success, especially for barra. But I'm wondering what your thoughts are on these. I just bought this packet. As you know, I'm not really a barra fisherman and I don't plan on coming one anytime soon. So I didn't buy these for barra. What I was thinking of using these for is when I go out to the reef and stuff, I'll use them out there. I just wanted to know your thoughts on these Dr Prawns. They come in a couple of different versions. I got them pre-rigged. You can get them like this and they're rigged up already. You can see they've got their lead inside of them and the big hook. And I'm just wondering what the action is and what this fin at the bottom does, how well it works. Like I said, a lot of the guys I talk to up here have been using these in the rivers for barra and jacks and doing quite well on them. But most guys aren't using this one. They're rigging up their own. They're getting the ones just unrigged and rigging up their own. But I have been told there is a downside of these. When you buy these, if you want to put like a worm hook on them, because this is solid rubber here, you can't take these heads out and put other heads in. You need a worm hook. A weedless hook. The guy said you need to put a slit in there with your knife. You've got to slit down the middle with a knife, just so when your weedless hook's there and the fish grabs it and crunches it down, the body will slide down. If you don't put the slit in the bottom of these things, the lure stays up near up the top and won't go down, so you miss strikes. They said you need to put a slit in there. That's the downside of these. But pre-rigged, or if you put the slit in for your worm hooks, apparently they're quite good. So I'm looking forward to using these things. They're Dr Prawns. Okay. What I was going to do, guys, is give you a rundown. I had a couple of different thoughts. First of all, I wouldn't mind sticking something like that on my slow pitch outfit. This is only a 20-pound outfit, nice and light. So something like this on a slow pitch outfit and working around shallow reefs and off the edge of the reefs and stuff, that's going to be good fun. That's going to be a lot of fun for mixed reef fish. I reckon I'll smash that little prawn in the shallows on this outfit. I'm going to get dusted up, but it's going to be good fun. So slow pitch outfit with one of these, I think that's something people don't do, but I'll give it a crack. It'd be fun. Or we can be just like everyone else. Oh, I think Roger getting tangled up. And got like a little 3,000 reel here. I'll put 20-pound braid on this if they're up in the tropics. But a little 2.5 to 3,000 size reel, 15 to 20-pound braid. Up here, casting around the rivers once again for barra. If you want to go chase barra or jacks, I'm pretty sure Valiant stuff will grab this too. But jacks will crack that, barra will crack it. Be good fun in the rivers and even off the rocky headlands. And if you're down south, I reckon these things on the flats, with a big flathead, are working absolute treat. So once again, your little spin outfit, probably about 10-pound braid, a 16-pound leader, and work these things over the flats. I reckon flathead will love them. So that's all fishing. And the other thing I wanted to do, guys, and try is once again, is this outfit. Back to the got the Ocean Legacy 7-foot PE2. This has got a very thin 30-pound braid on it. Something like that with this, casting over the reef flats, up in the shallows, reef flats. Good fun. I don't think it's going to last too long, to be honest. I really don't. I haven't really been a prawn fisherman, but I just bought them because they look good. So I reckon there's 3 different ways I'm going to try them. Maybe up in the rivers when I get the new toy. Definitely out in the reef, up in the shallows. I want to slow pitch them on the slow pitch outfit, and they're like 20 to 30 metres with it's light current for reef fish. That'd be good fun. I reckon they'll work an absolute treat for that. My question is now for you: have you got them? Have you used them? What have you used them on? Did you have much success? Like I said, I've talked to some of the guys up here who used them, and they are doing very well for the barra. But what have you caught on them? Are they working down south? You tried them for flathead? Schooled you? I don't know. Trevally? Don't know. You could hear your thoughts and what you've caught on them if you've used them. And did you buy them pre-rigged like this, or did you buy them unrigged and put your own rigs on? How did you work out the worm hook saga? Did you put a slit in there? It'd be interesting to know if you guys did. But the guys up here are just putting a slit in the main body here for the worm hook, so it slides, so it can do its thing. But like I said, I bought the pre-rigged one because I just want to tie it on and basically jig it or cast up around the shallows of the reef. It's going to be all offshore for me mainly. I don't do too much fishing in the shallows and the rivers and creeks, as you know. I can't see myself doing it anytime soon either. Yeah, be interesting to, once again, hear your thoughts, guys. So, once again, Dr Prawns, what colour? There's several colour of these. What colour did you get? And what one works? But, once again, as always, guys, if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Comment about these things. Have you used them? What did you catch on them? Do you like them? I don't know. I don't know if they swim, but apparently they do quite well. And after all that, I'm going to see you again next week for another one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you then.